Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable camera selfie angle to keep the angle you last used for the front camera on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the settings button. Next, swipe up to go down and tap on settings to keep. In here, tap on selfie angle. So tap on the toggle button to switch it on or off. Now once you turn this on, then the camera can keep the angle you last used for the front camera. The camera will no longer switch between normal and wide angles based on the number of people in the selfie. And then tap on the back key to go back to your camera, or you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.